catch is one of my favorite weapons to use of all the little weapons. Kama is very good. You come straight, and you strike, easy. But when you extend the rope to it like this, control it, you have an extra turn, and it's very deceptive for the person to block this. So one way the best way to practice is to just swing it and catch. Swing and catch. Start with that, and then catch. Then add a twirl, then catch. Add a twirl, and catch. Then you strike and bring back, control. After you do the strike with the Kama, you just bring back straight. With this weapon, you can actually strike and circle it back to your hand. Come back, it's like drawn back to your hand quickly. So you can extend it out there large. You can push it across, straight down, upwards, up, and get control. You see how it moves? And it's very circular, so you can have good control, good accuracy. So if you're in a group fight, you can take out many at the same time. And it's quick. It's very decisive, and you don't know where it's coming from. I can bring it from up here. I can bring it from the bottom. I can bring it upwards. I can bring it sideways. I can bring it downwards. It's very versatile and lethal. Oos.